Yo, what's up, Homecook? Yo, we about to make quick chicken curry over some rice right quick. First thing we're gonna do is go and get the pan started up. The pan get a little hot. It's olive oil. Got some coriander seeds. Got some pepper. Gonna do a little cayenne. Just salt. Go with some ground ginger. Some ground cumin. And a little bit of curry powder. And a little bit of turmeric. I personally will go with a bit of garlic chutney toward the end. So let these spices bloom a bit. While these spices are blooming, I'm going to add in some onions and some peppers. Just a few. I smell it's already crazy. Okay, let them cook off just for a little second longer. We'll go ahead and start the water for your rice. Let it come to a boil. And you add your cup of rice in there. I'll get that measured out. Make sure you keep these stirring, you don't want to burn. Spices are toasted, love. Ramp it up a little bit there. Go right in with the coconut milk. Get that incorporated. And you want to add your little water. Unless you got a little stock, might add a little water to this. And I think, personally, you'll let it just go for a minute. I also think that this would be the time to amp up. Go back in with your spices again, real light. A little more curry powder. A little more cumin. Let that come up to a boil. Let this go. I want to add some of this dry garlic chutney to this. And I also want to add a little paprika. I want a little smokiness in here. All right. Let this boil for a minute. And what we're going to do is cut it down to a simmer. We're going to add our chicken in there. Alright, get your water boiled over here. Let's go ahead and drop your rice in there. A little bit of salt. Alright, there we go. Good flavor. Alright, we back. Alright, Homecooks. Go ahead and toss your chicken in. This chicken came from a pre-cooked rotisserie, so you can definitely use that. You can cook your own, however you do it. This is a quick hack though. And at this point, just want your sauce to go down onto a simmer. And just let it go for about 10 minutes or so. Ooh, good. All right, now your rice over here is boiling. Now remember, be sure to soak your rice. I forgot to soak this batch, but be sure to soak your rice first. Give it a one-time stir. And then cut it down to a simmer. Cover it. Actually, we'll cut it off in a couple minutes. All right, Homecook, we'll be back when it's time to dip up. All right, then, Homecooks. Look like everything is everything. We good. Let's go ahead and taste to make sure we ready. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and dip up. Now the rice done. Let's go ahead. Nice fluffy rice. That beautiful curry joint, chicken curry. That's good. Let's chew. On top with a little bit of parsley. It's fresh parsley that I dried out. There you go. Chicken curry. Quick, simple. Home cooked to home cook. Another beautiful dish. Let's dig in. That rice is a little al dente, but it'll pass. With this curry sauce, with this chicken, it's so creamy. It's comforting. Home cook to home cook. Peace.